front of that van. What a plonk. Didn't even notice me. We have a zombie in the road. We have a zombie in the road. Playing with his phone. Walking in the cycle lane. Hey. More zombies. There's a footpath there and a footpath there. But they walk in the middle of the road. There's a zombie in the road. There is a zombie in the road. No, just gonna walk out in front of me without looking. What a plonker. Straight into the road without looking. Why do they do these things? Didn't even notice me. Oh dear, I'll just wait until the lights change. It's such a stupid thing to do. That is a good way to get yourself killed. I'm indicating left here, which would have been useful if she'd bothered to look. Bloody hell. I'm gonna wait until you've gone by. Fucking retard. Pedestrians in the cycle lane again.
Because he's not had
Zombie alert. Zombie alert. Zombie alert. Zombie alert. Zombie alert. Smartphone zombie. Oh, fucking idiot. Oh, okay now. Hey, look. Didn't even look before they walked into the road. Pair of zombies. Indicating right. But the smartphone zombie isn't looking and is going to walk into the road in front of me. Didn't even notice. Another one walking in the cycle lane. Fucking idiot. Ah.